What's up, guys? This is Kelly from Kiro Coffee, and we're going to be talking about the Aeropress today. So what's nice about the Aeropress, it's small, it's convenient, it's compact. So if you're out on a day hike or you're camping or something of that nature, it's an awesome device. So we're going to familiarize ourselves with the different components. Here is the plunger assembly, okay, and then you also have the filter basket, okay. So your filter is going to go right in there, and then this all comes with the Aeropress, and then this attaches right there just like that. Okay, so that's all ready to go. We have our scoop. So this equals about 17 grams of coffee. So what you can do is just scoop it up. You don't have to have a scale or anything like that. You also have your stir stick. Okay, so after or during the brew, you can stir. Okay, and then this is a nice little head, so you can put your coffee grounds right in there and not get it everywhere, or put it on top of your coffee, okay, just like that, so when you're plunging you don't make a big mess everywhere. Okay, so the method that I like to use most in brewing is called the inversion method. So normally this is the way it goes, but here we're going to tip it up on its side and we're going to have it gently snug in there. Okay, now what I'm going to do is first I'm going to take my hot water, okay, and I'm going to soak my filter and get that all nice and wet in there, gets that papery taste out. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to heat up my brewing equipment. Okay, so like I said, what you want to do is you want to measure out 17 grams of coffee. I already got that ground here. It's a delicious and fresh Kiro Coffee breakfast blend. So I'm going to dump that hot water in there. It allows for this plastic to expand so everything fits in there nice and snug. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my 17 grams of coffee, float it in there like that. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is just get the grounds all soaked in, and this coffee is going to bloom, so that is allowing everything to interact with the water. You get a nice delicious smell of it right there. Okay, you also do not have to measure out the water, okay, so which is also nice if you're not around a scale. Okay, and after about 45 seconds, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, make sure all the grounds, and I like to rotate this, just getting it right around there, and then getting this nice beautiful froth from there. Okay, so I filled it almost nearly to the top. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to start a timer. Okay, you want to brew this for 2 minutes. All right, so now our 2 minutes is up. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my filter basket and I'm going to put it right here, make sure that that is on there nice and snug. Now, trick to this is to take both components and flip it over, and then what we're going to do is we're going to press out that beautifully brewed coffee. Okay, so we're going to take this out. Now be careful not to spill this. Okay, so we're going to go like this, and you got a nice little vacuum there, so it does drip just a little bit. You put it on there, and you want to put nice, even, equal pressure, and this should take about 30 to 40 seconds to squeeze all of that Kiro Coffee goodness out of there. Okay, and then we're going to go until we hear a nice hiss. Okay, and then you don't want to go and push beyond that hiss, so we're almost at the bottom here. See if you can hear it. Oh yeah, so there's that hiss. Okay, and then we're just gonna take that off. It's gonna drip just a little bit. Okay, and now we've got some delicious Kiro Coffee. It's been brewing with the Aeropress. Kelly from Kiro Coffee. We'll see you next time.